Here we are at Ron John's Surf Shop, Volkswagen exhibit. Volkswagens have always been associated with surfers. Back in the 60s, it was all they could afford. Ron John continues to pay homage to that tradition. 60 screaming horses. Off-road, nice. Still runs.
But there's a well. Oh, geez.
And a convertible. I knew someone in college that had this. We ran around in it for years. Big black bug. And the original surfer van.
There's also a Winn-Dixie beer and wine.
I knew someone in college who had this exact car, only hers didn't shine like this. Back in 1973. Very nice. Volkswagen Carmen Ghia. Didn't get any better than this. Volkswagen hatchback. Trunk in the front and the back. Yeah, man. Let's have some reggae, man. Get a spliff, man. Yeah. Packing the boat fridge. Now the food. Atomic batteries to power, turbines to speed. Okay, we're ready to go to the Sandbar. Thanks, Market 24. Lunch in the boat at the Sandbar. Labor Day weekend. Here we are at the Sandbar with the chicken. Here, kids. Look.
We should have brought our chicken.
You got chickens too? Yeah. Cool.
How aren't that cool?
Yeah.
How old is it? How old is it?
This one's 7 years old. She's just a little tiny chicken.
How cool is it? I love it.
Yeah.
What you do on the boat when you're going fast?
She's in a pet carrier.
That's awesome.
Everything is safe. A notice to everyone.
Never knew I was going to be a chicken lady until I got chicken.
Yeah. How many chickens you got?
I only got 3. I used to have 6 and the others got eaten by coyotes. So.
Cool.
But you're holding on strong.
That's a chicken. She's a little red hen. No, she's a chicken. You can pet her if you want. Just pet her just like this. Alright. There's our surfing chicken. We're at the Sandbar, Labor Day weekend. She's still getting used to this water business. We're afraid she's gonna jump, but if she does,
We'll catch
she
her.
won't go far. Yeah, she'll be easy to catch. Yeah, you can pet her. She's very soft. She's made out of feathers.
First time on the water? Yes. It's the first time she's ever been out on the water.
In a boat. And we bring her to this circus. She's used to stuff like this. She goes to Friday Fest in Cocoa Beach. Chicken woman. There's a chicken down there.
So how many chickens do you have? I have 3. She's the smallest, and I have like a mini size.
Lots more animals here than just chickens.
Oh, he's got a chicken. She's the cutest one. Oh, that's and I have 2 dogs.
She wants out. I don't want her to hurt. I don't want her to hurt the dog. Oop, nope, 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 nope.
Get him.
Nope, 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 nope.
Everything out here. Hey! Ew! Oh my goodness!
Jasmine. Party at the Sandbar. Come see the chicken. Everybody come see the chicken. Yeah. Do you know how to hold chickens? Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Yeah. Be careful. Everybody loves chickens.
What's his name?
Little Red. One of the famous Cocoa Beach chickens. Got her? Oh, there you go. Yeah, she's a flapper. She's a rescue. Something out in the woods whacked up her wings. That's why they're like Freddy Krueger claws. There we go. Beautiful.
I'm coming to Friday Fest. Oh yeah.
Everybody loves the chicken. Everybody wave at the chicken.
Can we get the chicken in the picture?
Sure. You got her? Okay, you got her? Good. 90, that's great.
I got a 1720 action cap for the 200.
Everybody loves the chicken. Chicken.
Little chicken? Oh, you're gonna pet the chicken? Oh my gosh.
Everybody loves the chicken. Her name's Little Red. Little Red. Little Red. And she loves everybody.
That's a nice cock.
Hey, I want to see it.
My little pecker.
I want a picture of the chicken.
Is he friendly?
Yeah, she's very friendly. She's very friendly.
That's a nice cock.
Aww, he closed his eyes.
That's a great cock.
Oh, I like this chicken.
She's a sweetie. Get wild. Chicken.
Look at the chicken.
I
Oh, oh. She's getting wild.
It's a rooster. Is it a chicken or
No, it's a chicken.
Damn, are we in Key West?
Nah. No, we have chickens. They have roosters in Key West. More cookie. More cookie. More cookie. Everybody loves the chicken. Hey.
She's a girl. Oh, a little girl.
That's the Sandbar. Yeah. The chicken.
The guy on the island with the chicken, he kind of got a... See, you're videoing too.
Everybody loves chickens.
Hey, Mom,
Oh, Nicole would be so jealous. You have
There you
to
go.
send it to her right away. Look.
can I FaceTime her?
No, just take the picture.
Chicken. It feels so weird.
She's very soft. She's made out of feathers. You can pet her if you like.
Recording you as we're recording him.
Yep, everybody's recording everybody. Everywhere you go today, everybody is on video.
Why do you have a small phone? Obviously.
He has small hands. I don't know. Let's leave him alone.
Another fun day at the Sandbar.
Happy Labor Day.
Happy Labor Day. Hey, thanks for watching our video today. Every Tuesday at noon we put out a new video about Cocoa Beach boating, fishing, and life here in general. Also, if you want to move here, I am a real estate broker here. We own Happy House Real Estate. Contact us and we'll set you up in one of these beautiful waterfront houses. Thanks.